It's a case for the Google Pixel 8a. As usual here at the Tech Travel Geeks, we suggest you use a case on your phone. It will make it slightly easier to hold in many cases, but most importantly, it will protect it from drops and potentially other situations where your phone could get damaged. In this case, this is the official Google case for the Google Pixel 8a. I purchased this alongside the Google Pixel 8a. If you haven't already, you can watch our other Tech Travel Geeks videos about the Google Pixel 8a here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But in this case, we're going to unbox and review the Pixel 8a case here. So, first thing, cardboard box. It seems to be pretty straightforward. Now, packaging is very simple. It seems to have little to no plastic whatsoever. It's all cardboard. It's all recyclable. Good to see that from Google. And the case itself, unlike many cases we've covered here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, it's covered in paper. This is protected in paper, which is really, really impressive. And the case itself is a slightly more rigid plastic than other cases. It is really, really nice. It's a matte finish. It's not super slippery, which is good. And it should have all the appropriate cutouts for the Google Pixel 8a. Now you can see that it has the G logo embossed on the back. It seems to feel like a different material on the G. This is very, very refined, very nicely designed. I do like that. And on the inside, we've got just one word, Pixel. That's really, really refined. And as we can see, there's little extensions for buttons on the inside here. So let's get the Google Pixel 8a into its case and have a look at how it fits. The Google Pixel 8a has some slightly thicker bezels than other devices we've seen in the past, and that's a good thing. The Google Pixel 8a case can wrap itself around the edges just that little bit extra to give you that extra protection. And at the top of the case, we have a cutout for the microphone. On the left-hand side of the case, there's no cutout whatsoever. At the bottom, there's an appropriate sort of lip for the USB-C port and the symmetric speaker and microphone holes have dedicated cutouts. On the right-hand side of the device, we have the extensions to the volume rocker and the power button, which both seem to work fine, no stickiness, good to see that. And then finally on the back, we can see that cutout for the Google Pixel 8a Visor, which takes that dual camera module and gives the device a bit of extra balance, especially when placed on its back on a surface. Now the Google Pixel 8a cutouts for this visor do give it a little bit of depth. I would say that's about 0.5 millimeter, but that's a good thing because it will protect your lenses from getting damaged. So overall, what would you expect from an official case from the same company that makes the phone? A really, really good case. And I would say that's what this is, a very, very good case for the Google Pixel 8a. Now, I purchased this alongside the Google Pixel 8a for £19.99. That was the offer at the time of purchase of the Google Pixel 8a, but the usual price is around about £30. In my view, that is ridiculously expensive for a Google Pixel 8a case, considering that for the same price you could probably get around about 10 to 15 cases on AliExpress and have lots of different designs, lots of different looks, so you could accessorize with your Tech Travel Geeks fashion. But obviously that's my opinion. In terms of the actual case, it's lovely, it's good, it holds well on the device. I really like this, but if I were not buying it alongside the device, I would not spend £30 on this case. That's my 2 pence, 2 cents if you're in the US or the Eurozone. That's just my thoughts on the matter. Good case, but ridiculously expensive. I wouldn't buy one. Obviously, the final shopping decision is up to you. Let us know in the comments if you would buy the official case for the Google Pixel 8a, or you'd prefer to spend your money on other things which are more meaningful to you. Anyway, time to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.